to start off by a workshop about web design, what that will interlink with UX design. The planning for today is that we're going to give you a little presentation. Then we'll have a group activity that will consist of an hour and 10 minutes. It's creating an account and a homepage layout, but we will get to that later on. And at the end, there will be a surprise for the group that wins. So the table of content is about what is web design about, what is user experience design, what does it do for vendors and users, the benefits of UX design, the qualities of UX, and of course the do's and don'ts of web design.
Alright, so we're going to start with the definition of UX. I don't know if you've heard of the word UX before already. If you have, could you please raise your hand? Alright, so it's not a very well-known term in this class yet. To begin with, UX stands for user experience. It is associated with a product. A product is used by users. The product has users, and UX for this specific situation represents the experience that a user has when using the product. But what does it mean when it comes to web design? You also have UX web design, user experience web design. That means that a website is designed to make the interaction between a user and a product easier and comfortable for the users as well.
Only one? We have like 20.
Yeah. So, and even on M1 years that this takes so much space.
Yes.
Just go to the guideline part of the whole document individually by leaving a like at the
It's a website.
Access website voor laptop mobile, right?
In welk format willen jullie?
Exactly.
Learned about the program, saw the
Wanted you can read more detail, and of course a quote to keep you motivated.
the area that you can find the information. Instead of the tabs next to each other and you open one side after each other, you can just scroll down and have all the information in one page. So that is the idea.
I saw that there was a seminar on their Instagram page, so I took that picture and made a comment, join us button. It does not work, so just click on it.
So there should be a contact button allowing to get more information, so you can look up on where it is. It will tell you more about the program itself. Underneath there will be the digital.
Simple, but we did keep the design and we focused on the most important aspects, which is the infrastructure. Where are you going to end up spending most of your time in your mind now? Where are you going to spend doing most of your work in the buildings which you end up working in?
From all the votes that we have, I think we have 5 people voting or 6. This is the best one.